What's up, guys? What's today, Connor? It's first day of in-person kindergarten! Yeah, we're so excited!
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Bye.
What?
Is there anything you want to say?
I didn't know we were making a video.
We're making a first day of school video for your viewers.
Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Hi. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can take some photos and send them to YouTube when I walk into my classroom.
Well, we can't walk you all the way up to your classroom, buddy.
Maybe when my teacher walks me.
Yeah.
Maybe before we get into class.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we can do that.
Alright, say bye, viewers. I'll see you in
Bye.
6 hours.
I'll see you in 6 hours.
We did it! Hi, buddy! Hi! You said you want to go home? Yeah? How was your day?
Good.
Good?
But Jason and Finn were there, but Finn wasn't in the same. Finn wasn't in the same room, but he was in Bridges.
He was?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Right from in here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Connor. Make sure to subscribe. Let's go. This
Connor, what-
Raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Connor, what was so special about today?
That I had school today.
Yep, first day of in-person kindergarten, and you survived.
And as you can tell, you might be able to hear it raining.
It's raining in Arizona, which is unusual.
It's raining tacos. We go.
Yeah, go.
Let's just pretend we're eating tacos.
Oh, you're gonna pretend to eat tacos?
Open your mouth and close your eyes. Hey, hello.
That's a fun video, huh?
Rain actually got in my mouth. It also got in my nose.
In your
It's all
nose.
gone. I got one.
Good job.
Yeah.
This is Arizona kids in the rain. Oh, the chicken dance. Who knew? Did, whoa. Alright. We're gonna go hunker down inside now. Okay.